Walkers on the cortex are an exercise that gives us full availability of the different planes of motion with the translation that we get with the cortex. We have Mary Lou standing in a staggered stance as if she was walking. So her feet aren't parallel, they're slightly offset. She's going to keep her upper body still, and we're going to start in the sagittal plane where she's going to use her center of gravity in her pelvis to create a front-to-back motion. So she's actually rocking her pelvis similar to how it would move in the sagittal plane during gait. So it's a nice smooth oscillation back and forth. We can also take that same movement and now ask Mary Lou to move it into the frontal plane. So she's going to go side to side, where it's got to use a little bit more lateral spinal flexion and the frontal plane dominant muscles to create that motion. You can see it's a totally different reaction here at the body. Then finally, we can ask her to do the transverse plane. So now she's still, the upper body's still nice and vertical. She's getting the rotation now as the thorax stays still, and we get some mid-thoracic rotation, and the feet position-wise are still similar to how they are in the gait. We had Mary Lou do this for a certain amount of sets or repetitions, and then we could alternate foot position.